The Milwaukee Water Technology District, invested in by the Chinese, has been described by some as the Silicon Valley of water technology.
This is going to sound funny, but it's all about the beer. 100 years ago, 150 years ago, Milwaukee was a brewing capital. The breweries, the manufacturers, the tanneries all needed water. And so the industry that we today represent were all the feeders into that.
Actually, this is one of the lab from A.O. Smith.
The Global Water Center brings together dozens of water tech companies, university faculties, and investment firms, all working in the same building. Amos says only when these people are physically together can they have the chemistry to innovate usable products.
So you just need to introduce a drop of water into this test cell and then connect it with the meter and turn on the meter. It will read your lead concentration right away.
Dr. Chen says he could never come up with the idea of developing this device if it's not working with the companies.
Right now on the market, if you wanted to test out your water from the tap, you have two major options. One is really to collect the water sample and send it to the special analytical labs to do the analysis. Maybe a couple of days later, you can get the results. The other approach is really to buy test strips, but it's not very reliable.
Some of the research projects in this building are already being used in the real world. This pave drain technology helps reduce flooding, not only by absorbing the water very quickly, but can also filter it before it goes underground. It has won China's Blue Tech Award last year.
Technologies like these might have been used in what President Xi Jinping calls sponge city programs in China. The country used to rely on drainage system to remove rainwater, but as extreme weather events increase, Chinese city planners have begun to set up systems to allow rainwater to be stored and purified to prepare for dry times.
We are having a lot of discussions about the sponge city effort that's going on in China. Very aware of that. We're talking with some cities right now to see whether we can partner up with them.
A survival issue for all human sees no boundaries. Han Peng, CGTN, Milwaukee, Wisconsin.